Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you today?
Fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Well, my work experiences. Before I worked as a factory worker in Taiwan for 5 years, and then when I came back home, I worked as a supervisor in a food enterprise. And then after 1 year, I went to work as a volunteer staff for National Red Cross. I worked there for 8 months, I think, and then there's an opportunity for me to work again in the office. I work in it's a sister company of Supermall in the Philippines. I work as an auditor. I worked there for almost 2 years. I got married and I stopped working. And then last 2012, I came here to work as a nanny until now.
What is the nationality of your employer?
They are Emirates.
How many members in the family?
5.
And how old are the children?
17 years old, 15, 13, and one 4 years old.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities while on this job?
My responsibilities is to look after the needs of the children because I'm a nanny. Helping my companion here because we're two here. Helping her from the household chores here and some sort of cooking.
How long did you work with this family?
2 years.
And why you decided not to renew your contract?
I want to see my children, but then I just want to find another family to work with.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Of course, babysitting.
And what type of food can you cook?
I cook Filipino food and some Arabic food.
Like,
Like I cook majbus, biryani, talon.
in terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
You can see it just by seeing the child. You can see if she's not feeling well, if she's, especially when she's crying and crying. She wants to sleep, but then she's been crying, and she feel hot. It's like that.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
Of course, to let her or him stop crying, just to cuddle her or him.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are doing handicrafts because that's what our business in the Philippines.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for?
It depends on the family I will gonna work with. If they're nice or good, I can stay maybe longer. I don't know.
Why do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid to your new employer?
Because I know my responsibilities. I know what I'm going to do. I'm not being commanded. If I can work on my own.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.